Everything happens for a reason. I've been meeting people at the right time for the right reasons. I'm learning different skills all the time to help enable to make change. And if change is not coming the right way, I'm confident to challenge people in a nice way, because I do believe in change. So today I'm here at Oxford Hub. This is where I work. I work part-time. My role is a community activator. So I help people set up their own businesses, especially people from the local community. And that's done normally like through participatory grant making, which is a bit like share empower. So it's all about trying to empower people and residents in the community. So I've done many different roles. I did one with the council that was called AFIA, and that was to support black and ethnic minority women to engage in sports and exercise, which has really been powerful. And then I did some stuff with the council over by the leisure centre there, and that was also to impact women to get physically fit, active. And then at the Hub, I'm on a secondment with Active Oxfordshire at the moment. That's to do with making unused spaces in Blackbird Leys and Greater Leys look a bit more colourful, a bit more lively, so people put in for their own projects.
Okay. So that's the bobbin.
Yeah.
You pulled that side slot out?
Yes.
Now when you're threading, you say you had to thread up the machine. This is how you do it.
We have loads of different things happening at Oxford Hub. We're an organisation that works to address inequality in Oxford, and that's around sort of health and education and opportunity. And so we have this, I think, really lovely building here, which is called Windale. Yeah, Natasha and I work quite closely together because we work on participatory grant making, and Natasha's really passionate about that and is such a committed person in terms of bringing together local groups that could do loads with, you know, a little bit of funding, a little bit of support for space.
Portuguese peppers. Pumpkins have all got yellow leaves on because it's not getting enough sunlight, so that's why they've got a bit yellow.
Kindness doesn't cost anything, so why not help people? Blackbird Leys is a very good, loving community. We have some really lovely, talented people here, but people are very, you know, friendly.
Go on, beatbox. No clubbing, please.
Suited and booted don't work here. You need to be a community person. That's just my opinion. I thought the Leys Festival was really good. It was well needed. So nice to see so much people engaged, different communities, different people of all different ages. People with different disabilities came out, which is really nice to see. That is very inclusive. Good to see the connection of the communities between Blackbird Leys and Oxford University, the Humanities Cultural section. Anything I didn't really get to enjoy was the food, because I was too busy.